Halo, aku kasih ke kalian how to make slime with just a container, something to mix in, something to mix with, baby powder, every brand of baby powder, Biore or soap, everything brand of soap, any brand of soap, and you're gonna pour the powder into your container. But the next too hard. Yes. There you go. Yeah. Looks like ini very messy ya. Ini pegat. Yeah, that's ini powder. And you're gonna pour some Biore. Not a lot. I have two here. One this Biore, one this Biore. It's same. Oh no, this is body foam. You can use body foam or scrub. I use this body foam. No, it's whitening scrub. No, it's also same body foam. Okay, I'm gonna use the body foam. This one. There. Just like this. Okay. You're gonna mix with the missing tool, yeah. Then, if you want more, this looks like this. You're gonna pour a little bit of again, or you can water tamporini or mix with this, that, like so. Water with soap, yeah. It's also skill. It's still sticky, so I'm gonna add more of powder. That powder, like. Then the water is not sticky to your hand. Just take it off so that. Oops. It's still sticky a little bit. And look here, I'm not bohong. Yeah. This is what looks like. It's not sticky, but it's too powdery. So you're gonna add